go.
Six Flags over Texas, and they've got it going already.
Looney Tunes party.
Looney Tunes party going on. It's St. Patrick's Day.
Joining us for the super dance party, and of course we could have done it with dancing.
We're all the way. We haven't. Oh my goodness. Runaway Mountain, Mr. Freeze, Batman, the new Aquaman one. Where does the train pick you up? I don't know. Let's just keep going. It's an old log with plants.
Let's just go on there. No, that's not open. I don't think they have anything open yet.
That was supposed to be some kind of like tipsy house. I think I read. Casa Magnetica. Oh, the railroad station's this way. Texas Giant. That's a humongous one.
Smells like a lake.
Oh, what's that? Well, let's check out this one. We'll try this one first.
Oh, okay.
First ride, Robbie. Some sort of pirate ship ride. Just went on this ride. It's Port LaSalle. I don't know. It was a little boat ride. It was very strange, wasn't it? Did you like that?
Yeah, I loved it. It was very strange.
Pirate skeletons. Little elf. I don't know what they were, but pretty fun. Do you recommend that one?
Yeah, I recommend it.
Nice little fun boat dark ride. Dino Off Road Adventure. Ooh. Well, we're gonna be getting on these Jeeps at some point. They were riding them earlier, and then as soon as we got in line, they stopped. So we're waiting for that.
Get on these little Jeeps.
That's pretty fun. We're standing here by Shockwave. It's got some loops and some screaming. Looks kind of fun. Shockwave. But that's pretty neat signage on it. I bet that one gets you wet. Pretty wet. This one, Roaring Rapids. Not open. It's not open for the season. Superman, one of your favorite kind of rides?
No.
No. It's the Tower of Power. Let's do it, Superman. Well, that's a big one. Very tall. Ooh. Yeah, why don't you like those? Scary? Too high?
I don't like heights.
It's a neat sign. Tower of Power. Oh, I can win again.
It's a drop one.
Ooh, that looks fun. That line's way too long. Mining car roller coaster looking ride. It's got a pretty long line already. Abby, it's the new ride, Aquaman, Power Wave. The new Aquaman ride. Oh man, it goes almost all the way to the top and then wet. It's starting to get kind of hot out. What are we gonna get here in this food place?
Funnel cake.
Which one will Robbie pick? Funnel cake. I made you put strawberries on it because I wanted some of it. Looks pretty good. Is it good? Yes, it's good. The DC Looney Tunes shop. I think it's in here. Let's see. Oh, it still is. Well.
These are so cool. Actually, I kind of want one of these.
Oh.
Just like their bones. Look, let's see, Tweety.
Skeleton underneath.
Ladybugs.
Yep, it's a G-force. Why they're bowls. At a hotel. Oops. They're staying the night, I guess. Primo's Pizzeria. Maybe we'll have some pizza later. Everywhere we go, there's food. More food. There's a barbecue place. There's no shortage of food here at this park. Boomtown. Robbie, it's the Speedy Gonzales little truck ride.
It's not called a little truck ride. It's called Speedy Gonzales.
Oh,
Gonzalez Express truck.
all right, got it. Thank you. All right. It's a Looney Tunes playground. He's actually a little bit tall, but not that much. Oh, look at that. Back here in the kiddie area, there's a Wile Coyotes. It's a roller coaster. We have Cloud Bouncer down there. Oh, pounce and bounce. Look at that.
Just missed it. Tweety was over there. He just walked away.
Daffy Duck Bucket Blasters is not going. It's covered in Christmas lights. Those look like fish ice cream cones.
How's it going, guys? We having a good day out there?
Riddlers Revenge. Is it going to go upside down? That's a big pendulum. It's over high. Catwoman whip. Well, if it were going, you could ride it. It's one of these spinning rides. It's a head spinner. Mr. Freeze. The coolest coaster on the planet. Gotham City Park. Batman the ride. Wow, this one's closed too for technical adjustments. Look at that. Ooh, that'd be fun. I'd like to drive that. Gotham City Park. Not a lot to see. It is right there.
Riley.
Is Marvin the Martian your favorite Looney Tunes or something?
Yeah.
It's a nice hat. You're not a hat person, but you like that one, huh?
Yeah, he's my favorite. What?
Oh, shit.
Oh, I'm scared of soda now. I hate soda. It's splashed in my eye.
Me too.
Exactly. So.
Runaway Mountain roller coaster inside there. Fun. Right here that we seems like the wait's pretty long. I don't know. Whoa, gator crossing. Hey, we're gonna be riding on this ride. It's called Runaway Mine. We'll see how it goes. One of the few rides we were going on today. It's pretty loud in here while we're waiting for this ride, isn't it? There it went. We're gonna give this Runaway Mine. We just went on this Runaway Mine ride. What happened in there?
I hate it.
It was a dark building with
I
a
hate it.
roller coaster sort of ride in it. It was a roller coaster in the dark, and it wasn't even pitch black.
Yeah, you could see.
Give it a 1 to 10 rating.
10 being the best.
Yeah,
1.
a 1. I give it a 1 also. The ending slammed me. I didn't like it. Okay. Look at how cool it looks. These mine rides are always kind of cool looking, and they just never pan out. Dang it. Robbie, explain to us the Runaway mountain coaster. Explain it to us with your hand.
The down part, that's how I liked it. Horrible. It's the worst roller coaster I've ever been on. You know, actually not the worst. I remember that one mine ride that they had at the
Cedar Point, that mine ride.
yeah,
It wasn't
like,
even in a mine.
Yeah, it's
That
just
was
like outside with
awful.
a little bit of
Yeah, I agree.
It went so slow.
That one was bad. Yeah. Okay. Check it out. I spent 19 bucks on this. Not very good. No. Maybe this is good though. Oh, that's not too bad. But not. We've just been at Six Flags over Texas. Like a whole day. What'd you think?
I give it like a 8. Not 8. What am I thinking? I give it like a 6 for Six Flags. No, I'm just joking.
6 for Six Flags. 6 to 10.
Yeah.
A lot of rides were closed. Like a lot.
Yeah.
So many
I was
that
gonna say that.
there weren't enough for everybody to ride. So the ride lines were so long. There's food everywhere, but it's all the same, and it just wasn't that great. And it was super hot. It was fun coming to a new park, but so many things were just not available. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Hope you have a fun time. If you come down, you must restart. Goodbye, people. Pop. Okay.